So in this video, you'll learn how to enable or disable the keyboard sounds on your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. So if you bring up your keyboard, by default, if your phone is unmuted, you should be able to hear sounds coming from the keyboard. However, sometimes you may want to remove those sounds without actually muting your phone. So in order for you to either add them or to remove them, you're going to start by navigating to settings. Once you're in settings, you're then going to scroll and select the option sounds and vibration. And then from here, you're going to tap on system sound. Under system sound, you should see Samsung keyboard with a toggle next to it. So currently the keyboard sounds are enabled, which is again why you can hear sounds whenever I type anything out on my keyboard. If you want to remove those sounds, then you can just tap on the toggle next to it and they'll be removed. Once they've been removed, now whenever you start typing, you should no longer hear any sounds coming out from your keyboard. However, your phone is still unmuted, so you'll be able to receive notification sounds on your phone. If you want to restore the sounds, just tap on the toggle, and now when you go to type, the sounds will be successfully restored. You can also choose to change the system sound volume so that you can customize how loud or how loud you want the keyboard sounds to be. So you can choose to reduce or to increase to your liking. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.